Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to install Obsidian on your Windows 11 device. Let's get started. First of all, open web browser and go to the official Obsidian website at obsidian.md. Once there, click the download button and choose the Windows installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. It's straightforward. Just click Next, choose the installation folder, and then install. After installation, launch Obsidian from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. You will be prompted to create a new build or open an existing one. Pick your option and you are all set. And that's it. You have successfully installed Obsidian on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.